doing, Shane?
Awesome. It's pretty sweet, man. Am I a little staticky?
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that thing.
I think it shuts off when somebody speaks.
So close up the windows.
It's all right.
I'll let them know.
How do we pull it?
Yeah, just pull it in.
Traffic inside 911 Kilo.
Yeah.
I'm around Kilo, thanks.
Montgomery Tower, Cessna Skyhawk, 90488 Golf, holding short 28 left on Bravo, 4 straight out departure.
Skyhawk 940 Golf, Montgomery Tower, westbound approved, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
There we go. Clear for takeoff, runway 28 left, 88 Golf. Okay, lights. Camera action, we're good.
Yeah.
Alright, so make sure there's no airplanes coming in.
I see nothing.
Nothing? That's
Nothing.
good. Good on center line. We're on this itty-bitty runway today. No coyotes, that's a good sign.
All right, like that.
Full power.
Here we go.
Yep. Alright, heels on the floor. We've got a nice strong wind coming directly at us. We're going to lift off real early. There's our airspeed.
Here we go. See you later, Earth.
Yep.
Wow,
That's
dude.
awesome.
That's crazy.
Oh, I love that so much.
Yeah, so we're climbing, it's a little slow into airspeed. Climbing about 65 knots. So now I'm just,
Wow.
That's so pretty. Cool.
alright.
That's
A
crazy.
little bumpy,
A little drifty.
a little drifty. It's fine.
It's all good.
So we're going to go straight out. We're going to level off at about 1,500 feet. Go ahead and get us down to 75 knot climb.
Rad.
That's so cool.
Okay, oil pressure's good, oil temperature's good. Everything looks good. Okay, climbing at 80 knots.
Wow.
It's a trip, right?
Totally.
You can feel that's kind of like,
It's crazy how, thin the gauge the metal is on these things. Back in the day, there were like fabric wings and the,
yeah. Oh, there's still a lot you can buy actually that are fabric wings. There's a plane I'm looking at getting that I really want to get called a Viking. It's wooden wings.
wow.
And
That's awesome.
all the aerobatic planes are wooden.
For the flex.
You know what? All right, we're just going to climb.
Climbing.
We're getting up above these clouds. So usually I level off at 1,500 feet, but that's going to put us right into these.
Oh, I see.
So we're going to go up above them.
Right on.
Warhawks. Awesome.
Shoot, I don't know if that means that we can. If that means we can do the tour. I'll have to get up there and look. So we might actually have to fly up and go north over the clouds and come back this way. I wanted to do the tour over the bay, but
Yeah.
if there's no hole up here that we could dip into in airspace that we're allowed to go in,
Right.
then we can't do it because we got to climb up over 1,300 feet right now.
Well, let's see what we can get.
Yep. All right, so I was going to go to tower. I'll go to local.
So amazing up here.
275.
Yeah.
Cherokee 38 Charlie, we're starting our descent to the coast.
Cherokee 38 Charlie, roger, frequency change approved.
Change approved, thanks for the help. Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a hole over there. Perfect. But we still got to get up above the class. So what I'm doing is I'm getting above what's called the Class Bravo airspace, which is the military airspace that goes out over here.
Okay.
Montgomery Tower, helicopter 823, radio check.
Helicopter 823 Montgomery Tower, loud.
Right, we're outside their airspace. San Diego Coastal, white and blue, Cessna 172, 2,600 feet, climbing 3,500 feet westbound over Mount Soledad, San Diego Coastal. It's pretty cool though.
That's amazing.
Yeah. how I'll be going to work next week in LA.
Yeah, it's rad air traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Amazing.
You see the dog park
Where?
down there, see?
Oh, nice, yeah.
Good way to check the surf.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to level us off. This is going to feel really weird.
Okay. Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, that's so cool.
Wow. No way. That view is incredible.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Back off the power a little bit. I'll do a little right turn.
That's incredible.
Yep.
Do a little check for traffic. That's Miramar Air Station.
Very cool.
South of the field helicopter.
Let's see, is that the... Okay. San Diego Coastal, blue and white Cessna, 3,500 feet northbound to beam of Del Mar Racetrack. We're going to do a couple of steep turns, 3,500 feet.
San Diego East, white and blue. Here we go. 172, 3,700 south LCAP going to north.
Wow.
Wow.
Dude, crazy.
Oh. Man, that is such a cool feeling.
Yeah. Pretty awesome, right?
No way. It's crazy.
These were one of my favorite things to do when I was learning. You have to try to keep it, keeping it at zero was just so tough for me, learning how to do it, and 30 or 45-degree bank. So what will happen is we'll get to the spot where we were going north, I'll level off, and, oops, start losing altitude, and watch, we'll feel the bump from what we just were in. Oh, we might be a little too low for that. San Diego Coastal, Cessna Skyhawk, 3,500 feet.
That's so cool.
Over Del Mar doing steep turns, San Diego Coastal. Yeah, a little steeper.
Wow.
Wow.
Losing some altitude. And straighten out. Rad. Is that rad or what?
So awesome.
That was the coolest feeling ever.
There's your G-forces.
Yeah, really.
Alright, so see if I can spot that plane that was behind us a while back.
There's a boat down there.
Yep.
Sailboat.
So if that guy was flying at 75 or 750 feet, we could probably do the same thing. Just want to make sure I see where he is before I descend. Because we'll do what's called an emergency descent. We'll do that same thing, but we're going to drop.
Okay.
Or actually, I could here. This will be good times. Flaps up. How's that feel?
Crazy.
That's insane.
Here, make sure you don't fall out.
Wow. Whoa.
That was incredible.
So what I'll do is head out, and we'll do a little sunning turn. I should pull the carpet out. All right.
San Diego Coastal, Blue Cherokee, northbound Dunway Reach, 1,500 feet, San Diego Coastal.
San Diego Coastal, last call, I'm about 3,000 feet directly above you. I'll be turning back and heading south, San Diego Coastal. All right, a little double tap means that hurt us. So right after we get past him, I like to see him first. We're going to drop. Oh, you see him?
Yep.
I see it. Well, it's a helicopter.
Okay.
I'm looking for the airplane. You know, we'll do one more. Turn up. Alright, well, if he was heading northbound, he's got to be past us, way past us by now.
I didn't see anything.
Yeah, so we're going to get past Del Mar and then we'll drop. I just want to make sure that we don't get in trouble with any airspace.
Got it.
We can be below 1,800 feet. We can be above 3,200 feet.
I see.
We're dropping too much right now. Right. Yeah, but we're going to go right under those clouds.
Cool.
San Diego Coastal, Cessna Skyhawk, 2,300 feet, descending to about 750 feet southbound, just passing the Del Mar racetrack right now. San Diego Coastal. What's great about this is there's plenty of emergency landing room. Okay, power's out. So if you can see through the cloud, it's not a cloud. We're going to go right for this one.
Got it.
Okay, we're below 1,800 feet, so we're good. Aim forward as much as I can. The haze makes everything look closer sometimes than it actually is. Limber Tower, Cessna Skyhawk, November 488 Golf with VFR request. Yeah, I'd like to do the Bay Tour headed south, currently at 600 feet just off of Torrey Pines southbound. 88 Golf. Okay, report 1 mile north of Scripps. We have it's a helicopter traffic in sight, 88 Golf. We'll maintain visual separation, 88 Golf. See the hay gliders?
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, this is the lowest I've flown through here.
Cool.
The fuck?
Whoa, crazy.
88 Golf, 1 mile north, Scripps Ranch, or Scripps Pier. Yes, north of Mount Soledad. I got the traffic to my right passing me going northbound in sight. Okay, report 1 mile north of Crystal Pier, and am I cleared through the Class Bravo airspace? I think it's Class Bravo up there. Traffic inside 88 Golf. Okay, report Ocean Beach Pier. I've got the traffic inside. Remain visually separated at or below 500 clear for Class Bravo airspace at 88 Golf. We're in the commercial airspace right now. So that means that you have to be cleared through. But as far as the clouds are concerned, all we have to do is just not be in the clouds.
Got it.
Yeah, clear of clouds, 1 mile visibility. Normally, if we're flying, I mean, we were just so close to the clouds that wouldn't be visual flight rules. It would have been violating it. But because they're watching us, they know exactly where we are.
Right.
Then it's good to go.
Cool.
Just a little more power. Should you say Crystal Pier or Ocean Beach? You said Ocean Beach Pier. Tourmaline. That's the search spot, Tourmaline. 13. Number Tower 88 Golf reporting 1 mile north of Ocean Beach Pier.
Cessna 88 Golf, leaving St. Bravo, or correction, report passing Crystal Pier. Correction, Ocean Beach Pier.
Okay, I'm about to pass it in about 5 seconds, 88 Golf.
Tower, good day. Scout 5415 is in the right turn, visual runway 27.
Red Lake 331, Lindbergh Tower, runway 27, line up and wait, caution wake turbulence, arrive MD 90, traffic 9 mile, final regional jet.
Lap wait, Red Lake 331.
Lindbergh Tower, Cherokee 793 Charlie, just north of the point, requesting the northbound transition to Crystal Pier.
Cessna 88 Golf, traffic 4 miles south of your position, altitude indicates 800 feet, northbound is Cessna, or correction, Cherokee.
Looking for traffic, 88 Golf, currently at 500, just past Ocean Beach Pier, head south.
Cherokee 7938 Charlie, Lindbergh Tower, traffic 2 miles north of your position, southbound, altitude indicates 600 feet, Cessna, report that traffic in sight.
Negative contact, 38 Charlie.
Delta 513, turn left, Bravo 8, contact ground.
Bravo 8 is ground, 513 seal.
Scout 5415, Lindbergh Tower, traffic holds in position, continue inbound, expect further clearance at 2 mile final.
Okay, we will continue 5415.
88 Golf has traffic in sight. I'm going to do a little right turn, 88 Golf.
You have that traffic in sight?
38 Charlie, have the traffic.
Great.
Cessna 88 Golf, maintain visual separation with that traffic and contact Island Tower 135.1.
Maintaining visual separation, going to Tower 135.1, 88 Golf.
Red Lake 331, wind 300 at 12, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Yes, that'd be cool.
Really good.
Good afternoon, North Island Tower, Cessna Skyhawk, November 88 Golf, 600 feet southbound, about 1 mile past Ocean Beach southbound.
Skyhawk 88 Golf, North Island Tower. Traffic also on the west side of the points of Cessna northbound with Lindbergh. Altimeter 29908.
Altimeter 29908, and yeah, we had passed the traffic northbound a while back, 88 Golf.
Skyhawk 88 Golf, Roger, and what can I help you with today?
I'd like to do the Bay tour after turning at Point Loma, and then after passing Coronado Bridge, I'd like to turn around and do the Delta transition northbound back to Montgomery Field, 88 Golf.
Skyhawk 88 Golf, Roger. Continue around the point, altitude your discretion. You're cleared through the Bravo via the Bay, and report your 180th bridge.
Okay, cleared through the Bravo via the Bay, altitude my discretion. I'll report after I pass Coronado Bridge, 88 Golf. Okay, so as we go past this, there's always some bumps.
Okay.
I'd be surprised if there wasn't. But this is cool. We're going to fly right over, we're going to end up flying right over the aircraft carriers, and we're going to fly right over downtown on the way back.
Wow.
Yeah, but when I did this was the very first flight I did, was going this direction with my flight instructor.
Yeah.
I was just like,
Yeah,
now I'm like, woo!
Right.
You know?
There's a bump.
There they go. Just a baby one. Yeah, I think it's the wind coming off the end of the point. It's always there. But when I first, that bump right there, like, freaked me out. I was like, holy shit. I was like, dude, just relax. Now it's like, that is like, if I was flying by myself, I wouldn't even notice it. There's some more bumps.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's I spent a good portion of my young life, man, North Island. The little Hawkeyes.
Oh, yeah.
E3 Hawkeyes.
Oh. Yeah.
F-18s.
Wow. Crazy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Yep. That's the fun stuff. It'll back off as soon as we get past this bridge. My dad's boat's down there somewhere. One of those.
Right on.
It looks like the stuff from Transformers.
Huh.
Yeah, we got full wind pushing us. Probably going to give us a nice tailwind as soon as we turn. And there's the airport, Montgomery Field. We're lower than we're usually allowed to go through here, which is kind of cool.
That is cool.
Usually they tell you 800 feet, but we're doing it 500.
Wow.
Get some power, climb a little bit there because we got up above the bridge.
I can't imagine having to land on an aircraft carrier.
Yeah, look at that. I mean, that's just insane.
Yeah, dude.
Wow. Thing is massive.
Yep.
Yep.
Like a miniature city on water.
Huh.
Oh, yeah. Level us off here a little bit. So, wonder if you'll be able to see the SEALs today. The Navy SEAL base is over here.
Oh, okay.
And so actually this whole amphib base is all part of it right here. But, you know, they take the boat teams out there and wash them through the water right there in Coronado. That's where they do it. It's pretty crazy. Alright, so up here a little bit, do a turn. There's a, actually I better talk to the tower real quick.
Okay.
North Island Tower, Cessna Skyhawk 88 Golf, start my 180 to do the Delta transition, 88 Golf.
Skyhawk 88 Golf, squawk 0261 and 180 approved.
0261 in the box and 180 approved, 88 Golf. Wind is blowing us around today.
Yeah. Totally.
Skyhawk 88 Golf, contact Lindbergh.
Contacting Lindbergh, 88 Golf. Lindbergh Field, Cessna Skyhawk 90488 Golf, doing the Delta transition northbound.
Cessna 88 Golf, Lindbergh Tower, traffic 4 mile final, sending out at 2000, Airbus 321, report that traffic in sight.
I have the heavy traffic in sight and will remain visually separated, 88 Golf.
Cessna 88 Golf, visual separation is approved, cleared in the San Diego Bravo airspace, Lindbergh altimeter 3000, overflight taxiway Delta at or above 1,500, same intentions northbound.
Can we go a little higher than 1,500? Looks like that would put us right at some clouds, 88 Golf.
Cessna 88 Golf at or above 1,500 is approved.
At or above 1,500, 88 Golf, transition over the Delta, clear to the Class Bravo airspace, and will remain visually separated, 88 Golf.
American 1445, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles, 1,600 northbound is a Cessna. They have you in sight. Will maintain visual separation. They're going to cross the approach end at or above 1,500.
We have a Cessna in sight, American 1445.
American 1445, winds 290 at 15, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land 27, American 1445.
Tower, Southwest 1509, CG, visual 27.
Southwest,
there he is. Watch him come in
2 miles.
underneath us until he gets under the clouds.
0 at 15, runway 27, clear to land.
This guy taking off over here.
1509.
So we're at, so we
Intentions northbound.
we're going back to Montgomery Field, 88 Golf.
Cessna 88 Golf, roger.
Is that cool or what?
That's really cool.
Awesome.
Legion 421, contact.
Wow.
Oh, departure,
Flying low, huh, Bob?
He's landing.
Yeah. So cool.
Limerick Tower, Galaxy 819 Alpha Pops, ready for takeoff, runway 27.
Galaxy 819 Alpha Papa Limburg Tower, expect further clearance after traffic 4 miles.
Climb it a little bit. No, try to get way above these clouds.
Cessna 88 Golf, fly direct Qualcomm.
Flying direct to Qualcomm, 88 Golf. Where is Qualcomm?
Stadium?
American 1445, turn left, Bravo 8, contact ground.
Oh, it's right there.
Bravo 8, American 1445.
Yeah, we gotta drop over that cloud.
Cessna 88 Golf, leave the San Diego Bravo airspace in 1 mile to the north. Radar service is terminated. Squawk VFR. Contact Montgomery Tower.
Okay, it's walking VFR going to tower, 88 Golf.
29er, and you want me north of the field, south of the field?
Cherokee 3 Charlie, actually, north of the field, you fine, thanks.
North of the field, 38 Charlie, thanks.
Montgomery Tower, Cessna's Kayak, November 90488 Golf, about 1 mile west of Qualcomm, descending through 1,800 feet inbound, full stop, negative ATIS.
Cessna 948 Golf, Montgomery Tower, wind 27014, gust 16, altimeter 29er, make left traffic, runway 28 left.
Left traffic, one way, 28 left, 88 Golf. Good.
Cherokee 630, that traffic's 11 o'clock, 2 miles southwest, down 3,200 indicated.
Cherokee 630.
Cessna 9 Lima Kilo, maintain 900 above your present altitude till advised, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound to Cherokee 2,500 indicated.
Fine, we'll maintain at above our altitude and just keep a lookout for the Cherokee 9 Lima Kilo.
Montgomery Tower, Cessna 404, Golf Sierra, on Helix, 2,500 feet for touch and go, information Bravo.
Cessna 404, Golf Sierra, Montgomery Tower, ident, make straight in, runway 28 left, traffic 2 o'clock and a mile and a half, converging 3,200 indicated as the Cessna.
Train 28 left, IF traffic.
4 Golf Sierra, thanks, additional traffic, passing off right, same altitude, eastbound to Cherokee.
Traffic inside 4 Golf Sierra.
Cessna 9
Thanks, car, Shane.
you can resume your descent and make straight in, runway 28
Oh, wow.
now.
We'll straight into it right, 9 Lima Kilo.
Montgomery Tower, Medivac 745 Charlie Alpha, holding short 2H right, ready for
Cool.
Medivac 745 Charlie Alpha, Montgomery Tower, wind 280 at 10, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff, state direction of flight.
2H right, clear for takeoff, eastbound, 5 Charlie Alpha.
Medivac 5 Charlie Alpha, roger. Make a right downwind pressure.
Right down my departure, 5 Charlie Alpha.
Montgomery Tower, Cessna 3386 Echo, holding short at 28 right for straight out departure.
Cessna 3386 Echo, Montgomery Tower, standby. Copy, Golf Echo, extend down, I'll cover your base for departure.
Sitting there with 8 Golf Echo.
That's 4 Golf Sierra, traffic heading to your right, converging for the parallel runways of Cessna at 3000.
Inside 1 minute visual for Golf Sierra.
Cessna 9 kilo traffic just behind and to your left, converging for the parallel runways of Cessna 2500 indicated has you in sight.
Yeah, keep a look on the line, Kilo.
That's 4 Delta, remain north of Lake Murray, traffic 12 o'clock and 2 miles, 2 targets inbound, 2900, 2600 indicated inbound.
88 Golf, confirming a land 28 left.
Just 88 Golf, a firm runway 28 left for the land.
Land 28 left, 88 Golf. That took him a long time to even going.
Charlie, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles,
so
3000 indicated type intentions unknown.
Negative contact, we're looking 3 Charlie.
That's 41 Delta, Montgomery Tower, you on?
Montgomery Tower, helicopter 7510 Echo, just south of Lake Murray with Bravo, inbound for numbers 23.
Helicopter 7510 Echo, Montgomery Tower, numbers of 23 are currently occupied.
8 right if possible, 10 Echo.
Helicopter 10 Echo, roger, traffic is heading to your right, 2,600 indicated to Cessna, and additional traffic 2,400 indicated over Lake Murray Cessna as well. Report those aircraft in sight.
it goes on the floor, flips all the way down. Alright, sunglasses brought my shoes, that's perfect.
8 right, 10 Echo.
Copy, Golf Echo, start your base runway 2 right, clear for the option.
Wind is right down the runway, which is awesome.
Cessna 86 Echo, westbound approved, wind 27014, gust 16, runway 2 right, clear for takeoff.
3 right, clear for takeoff, 86.
Wow.
Cessna 9 kilo, you're following a Cub, putting a 2 mile right,
Nice.
base runway 28 right, clear to land.
A little fun right at the end.
Right on, dude.
Cub and number 2, keeping a look out for the Cub.
Oh,
2 right.
Copy, Golf Echo, Fable, direct to the numbers, please.
The number 8 Golf Echo.
Cessna 4 Golf Sierra, your number 1, runway 28 left, clear touching to make a left close traffic. Traffic ahead and to your right toward the parallel.
Leave it as you go 28 left for Golf Sierra.
Cessna 8 Golf, contact ground.
Contacting ground, 88 Golf. Guys,
And
well,
5 Charlie
a little overwhelmed today. Alright, so we lived. Got a little thrill right at the end, a little elevator drop before I gave it some power. So that's what happens when the wind blows and then stops blowing for a second.
It's sweet.
And I started to sweat just a lot.
Alright, let's see. Flaps up, carbide in. Off. Alright, let's go.
Oh, you're sweating, bub.
Yep.
Montgomery ground, Cessna Skyhawk 948 Golf on Delta, off 28 left for Gibbs.
Cessna 948 Golf, Montgomery ground, taxi to Gibbs via Hotel Juliet.
Taxi to Gibbs via Hotel Juliet to 80 Golf. Get mine. There. That's a fucking kick-ass airplane right there. That thing right there, that's a beast.
That's sick.
Yeah. That's a Pilatus. Those things are the shit. I'd rather have one of those than a jet. So how'd you like your first general aviation flight?
I thought it was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Definitely something I want to do again.
Yeah, we will. I mean, you know, one of my the funny thing is, since I was in the Navy, like, one of my big things was always wanting to, like, fly up to Camarillo and shit from San Diego. And as a matter of fact, so with your instrument, I have to do a long instrument flight with my flight instructor from here. It's got to be 250 nautical miles. So we'll be going to Camarillo. Apparently Camarillo has, like, a really good barbecue thing. We'll go grab some lunch over there at that place. Really good. It's really good for breaking your gut.